Yeah, when we say we do serious, professional, and effective egg incubation and hatchery services at the Hep-Chics, we do mean it. We mean business here. Today, the 10th, is it the 10th of February 2025? Yeah, we are so proud and pleased to showcase the wonderful results our team is playing in terms of egg hatchery services. You can testify from these results that definitely this farmer is going to be one of the happiest farmer, and obviously successful, because we not only offer hatchery services, but we do offer technical assistance as well and support services. We equip you with the knowledge and as far as possible the resources to start your poultry project. Roadrunner business, the traditional chicken breeds production, is our main focus. What are you waiting for? Kindly get hold of us today and we will take you through the A, B, C to Z of our poultry production. Good day, and remember, Hep-Chics is waiting for you to take you through the journey. Enjoy.